Hello guys, welcome back, new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok effect doesn't work in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix, first of all go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Tap on this and from here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connects strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least 30 seconds, you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data then turn on airplane mode at least 30 seconds, you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then scroll down, then tap on journal, and from here you scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this and from here you tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go back, tap on VPN and device management. From here if you connect anyone VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then tap on iPhone storage, and from here you search for this TikTok app, tap on TikTok app, then tap on offload your app, and after offload your app, after a few minutes you have against, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go for the last method, go back your home screen and open your app store, and from here you search for this TikTok app, tap on this and make sure that update your TikTok app, and after update your TikTok app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.